Hello, my name is Qazi Abid Al-Assad and I have working experience in a digital marketing agency as a digital marketing specialist. I am working in this field for more than 7 years. I absolutely love working with brands and helping them grow with a strategic plan. I feel confident that my marketing skills are cross-industry and I'm excited to dive into any project. So today, I would like to share a marketing strategy with you. My topic is how to get new clients for SEO or PPC agencies through cold email marketing strategy. First, we have to find out our potential clients. Easy profit SEO and Google ad niches are staffing services, home improvement services, flooring services, plumbing services, landscaping services, cleaning services, law services and construction businesses. Now I want to share how to work cold email marketing strategy. Regarding this website, I tried my level best to put all my comments in this video. We know that SpyFu helps us to find out our competitors and collect their most profitable PPC and SEO keywords. Please review the graph below, illustrating the analysis of his competitors. It appears that his website is experiencing a significant decline in Google rankings and organic search traffic. This decline can be attributed to recent algorithm updates by Google and Bing, resulting in a change to their ranking formulas. Unfortunately, his website is not aligned with the new algorithm, leading to a decrease in organic search traffic and a drop in Google rankings. It seems that his website has lost its rankings for important keywords. The table below clearly shows that Google believes this is because the pages are no longer as relevant, aligned with their guidelines, or authoritative as they used to be. In simpler terms, his website's content and authority have diminished, causing it to lose visibility in search engine rankings. The following keywords are listed in Google, but as we can see in the below table, their monthly traffic is very low, so this is also a reason for low traffic. We would suggest to him a list of highly searched keywords with good search volume so he would get a good amount of traffic. His website's loading speed is considerably slow. This slow speed indirectly impacts your rankings by increasing the bounce rate and reducing the dwell time of visitors. At Google, user experience is prioritized. When a website's speed is significantly slow, it leads to frustration for visitors, webmasters, and the search engine alike. In such cases, Google may choose to de-index the website rather than directing visitors to a frustrating user experience. I will check his Facebook. He needs to update his account on a regular basis, so his clients can easily get updates about his latest newsfeed. He needs more promotions. He has only 602 likes and 610 followers yet on his page. He needs more likes and shares. The more likes he will get, he will have the better chance to get more traffic on his website. Nowadays, social media is the best platform to drive the most traffic. To increase traffic to his website and improve rankings, it is crucial to implement aggressive social media marketing strategies across platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. These platforms can significantly contribute to driving targeted traffic to his website, positively impacting your rankings. Additionally, focusing on creating SEO-rich content with the appropriate keyword density is essential. In today's digital landscape, content plays a vital role in attracting and engaging users. Moreover, leveraging Twitter and YouTube promotions can further enhance his online visibility and audience reach. So, let's achieve our clients' marketing objectives. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or require further clarification.